A couple days and let it dry really good so it shrinks. So now I'm ready for the other coat that I'm gonna put on this. This one actually looks pretty good, ready to paint. One coat, because it was just a little dent. But when you got a hole, I filled in the hole, and now I'm gonna put on the other coat. So what I'm gonna do is take my liquid nails gun, squirt some on, put that down, and I'm gonna go ahead and start wiping. Just spreading it. Every time you place an application, it looks better and better. And don't stop until you got it where you want it. Alright. Come back maybe tomorrow or in 2 days. Jeez, I got loud kids. And then we're gonna go back and see when we got it where we want it. I'm gonna keep playing with this and I'll show you the end result where I got it where I want it, because I can't really do this with one hand and one hand on the camera to get it to where I want it to be smooth. This little handle, because I don't want those markings from the old handle to show. And also I put another coat on this, and we're gonna come back in a couple days and hit it again. I did go on that, but didn't have to. But you could see that that bump is now filled in, and I'm good. And it takes a few days, but sure is better than buying a $1,000 door. You know what I mean? And this hole over here on the back side of the door. They told me I had to buy a new door. They don't make anything for that. Yeah, I'll make something for that. But you can see that coat is coming on real nice. Nobody will ever even know that there's a hole there before. I'm real happy with how this one came out. This one's ready to go. That's the inside of the door. I'm gonna paint the whole door white. You'll never see anything that was wrong with it. This side, I still feel a little bit of a bump. Sorry, the kid just fell down the stairs and they're crying. All right, I'm squirting some liquid nails here. I think this is my second or third application. And I'm gonna go ahead and smooth that all out again. And just keep filling it in until that thing is flush. All right, smoothing that all out. We're gonna get this thing perfect. The problem is when you think you got it perfect when it's wet, it shrinks. But damn, is it some good stuff when it's done. It really does the job. It's almost like Bondo for cars. If you guys don't know what Bondo is, that's how they fix metal cars. I mean, I'm sure you can go pick up some Bondo, but I've been doing this method for a long time, probably about 15 years, and the liquid nails is some good stuff. So I think I like how that looks right now. I'm gonna wait to see when it dries and fill in it again, and then I'm gonna paint it, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like, and you guys be the judge if you like how liquid nails works on doors. And for those of you who don't know what liquid nails is, it's just a tube of probably like $3 for that thing. You get a whole tube of it. Door all taped up where I want to paint it. Some painter's tape. Make it quick and easy to paint this thing. It. The paint's so wet, once it dries you will not be able to see all that dented door that was there from the previous door handle, and also the other dent that was way down there. So if this video helped you out, just give me a thumbs up and showed you how to fix a dent in the metal, whether it's a door, garage door, something like that. Easy to fix, so it can be done.